Hello everyone, my name is Ted Roberts, and I just got a box of books, my first book ever, called Joint Leadership, Leading in the Joint and Combined Military Organization. It's my first book. It's been in the works for a couple of years. I'd like to thank some of the people that have helped me, like Dr. Fred Keenley and Dr. Virginia Richardson, that helped encourage me on the book, and Dr. Gary Oster. With that, let's go ahead and open the box and get to touch my first book. Packed it good. And this is it. My first ever book, Joint Leadership, Leading in a Joint Combined Military Organization. Hard to believe, I actually got a book written. It's got my name on there. I got my picture on the back. And when I designed the cover, since it's for Joint Military Organization, I want something that represented the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the different services. On the back, something representing the space domain and Marines, and so I'm hoping this is a really good book for everybody to use. And it's available as an ebook, Kindle on Amazon, or a Nook version on Barnes & Noble. And then you can pre-order the book on Amazon or Barnes & Noble for pre-order and shipment starting on May the 25th, 2022. Thank you.